What's up, Jessica I Squad? Today we're making a lava lamp with oil and water and other things.
We got this nice big glass bottle, and she's going to pour the oil in slowly. We made a little foil funnel there. Oh, it looks like we're going to need a little more oil, huh? If you don't have a funnel, you can use a piece of foil. Be very careful, Soraya. Not too fast. So we filled up this bottle with water, and she's gonna go ahead and pour water inside too.
Wow, isn't that amazing?
Don't go too fast, honey. You gotta wait for the Don't do it so fast because you see the little hole up there. You have to give it a chance. Oh, too fast. Well, just keep a towel by, guys, if you're doing this.
Next, add food color. Different drops will turn black.
I'm gonna see if we have blue. There's some red. So this project, you do need a lot of oil though.
Look at the
and there's some
bubbles popping at the bottom.
Okay. Now it's gonna be time to drop in the little tablet. You might have to break the tablet. Does it fit? Gonna drop in more. It's starting to bubble up. Look at the action in there. Wow.
You can't really see it.
Let's see. Look at that. It's getting all wavy like a crazy storm of the ocean.
Sorry, that's way too small.
There it goes, guys. It's really starting to bubble up now.
No. Mom, I was getting...
Ooh, I like when the colors are going up. What do you think, Ace?
I can't see it. It just looks like little bubbles.
I better go get more of those tablets. Oh. Laura, what's happening in there? Wow, look at the reaction.
I want to grab one of those dots. They're like little.
Wow.
I wish I could grab one. Wow.
Wow, Bubble. Well, we're gonna add some more tablets. Ooh, add more. Hold on, add more so it can get to like super bubbly. Get more.
Oh,
look at that big one.
I bet when they come home, they're gonna be like, why do you put all my stuff? I eat those every morning.
Hurry, Helena, get two more. Keep it bubbling. Do you want the bubbles to stop, Soraya?
I just want to touch one of those bubbles.
And it's getting foamy at the top. Do you see the little droplets now with the food color falling down? Is it pretty? It's like raining down little black dots.
It should have been
and all the food color just changed the one color to just black. We were hoping that it would be like confetti of different colors.
I told you you added too much food dye. Give it, Laura. Add one.
Oh, here comes another droplet.
Oh.
Another tablet.
Laura, add it. No, Laura, put it inside. No. The reason why you don't make
look how much more bubbly it's getting.
I'm not gonna get any more.
Wouldn't it be great if we could have the entire box?
Why don't we do that? And see what happens.
What do you see in there?
Imagine if it was a plastic bottle and we squished it. What is yellow? My eye!
Now it's making little white bubbles.
Not all on your eye hurt. Imagine if there's a little dot that cleaned up that Laura's eye out. Wow, I love it.
Wow, it's getting crazy.
Don't
she wants you to smell. She doesn't smell yet, but it's Laura, smell it. Let go. Laura, smell.
It does smell like water.
It smells minty.
Not like water. Oh, it's like that. Did you know you could? Are you already seen this before?
Well, everybody, now it's stopping.
Alright.
Now it's stopping, everybody. It's probably going to keep going for a little bit more. But now we're going to say goodbye.
Goodbye. Oh! Thanks for watching. Bye. Give me a hug. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Really careful when you pour the oil.